Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take background blurred image in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. First of all, open camera in your phone and keep the camera mode in portrait. Now, take a picture of a choice. Here, I would like to take this picture. You can also here increase or decrease the depth effect. If you decrease it, depth effect will be minimized. If you move on like this, depth effect will be increased. If it shows ready, just click on to take pictures. Yes, open the picture that it took and see here background is blurred and subject is clear. I would like to take another picture. Again, go to camera and keep on portrait and I take another picture. And I open the picture that I took and see the effect. Background is blurred. So in this way, you can easily take background blurred image in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.